My dear Adhyatmic friends, Namaste and welcome. Today I present Newton's laws of motion and their Vedic foundations through Tattvavāda. Our message is clear. Newton described how, Veda explains why. Veda explains who through Rita and Niyati. The context is, in 1687, Newton wrote Principia. He stated three laws of motion and universal gravitation, a great shift in science. The Western view is that the universe is a machine operating under autonomous laws. And the Vedic view is, it's a living, conscious, moral cosmos. Tattvavāda teaches that God is real, souls are real, matter is real, only Hari is independent. Laws are not self-existent. They are expressions of will, sankalpa that manifests as niyati. Consistency comes from divine order. Newton's three laws. First one talks about inertia. The second law says F is equal to ma. The third law talks about action and reaction. Now let's see these through Vedic lens. The first law states that an object at rest stays at rest and an object in motion stays in motion unless an outside force acts. In the Vedic view, not even a blade of grass moves without his will. Inertia is dependence on the Supreme. Stillness and motion are both sustained by Hari. Forces are real, but ultimately divine instruments. The first law describes how. Veda reveals why. A cosmos supervised, a cosmos with a purpose. The second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration, follows quantitative, precise measurements and the dynamics of change. The Vedic extension is that creation happens by his will. Physical causes are real, but nested in divine intention. Karma joins the law. Every action has a consequence. Forces move matter. Karma moves experience. Both are lawful. Karma is a vector stored over lifetimes. Devatas administer the results. The Lord ensures justice. Order is preserved. And the third law of Newton, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Mutuality is central. Conservation always holds. And the Vedic parallel is that as one acts, so one reaps. Cosmic reciprocity. It's a universal balance. In physics, you cannot push without pushback. According to the Veda, you cannot act without consequence. Two levels, one order. It's not fatalism. It is accountability, physical reciprocity, karmic reciprocity, and both are true. Panchabeda, the five differences, God and soul, God and matter, soul and soul, soul and matter, matter and matter, according to Acharya Madhva. Acharya Madhva sums it up really well. The world is many. Unity belongs to Hari. Multiplicity in the world, unity in the divine. Why does this matter? If things are not real, measurement collapses. Panchabeda secures physics and grounds empiricism. God is not world. Law is dependable but not self-sustained. Soul is not matter. Awareness is not atoms. Soul is not soul. Individuality is real. Matter is not matter. Distinctions give science content. Bodies, fields, interactions. Enter Pandit Govindacharya. My Guru Dr. Govindacharya showed how Vedic metaphysics upholds reliability. Science rests on order. Panchakoshas, 5 sheets, from food, body, to life force, to mind, to intellect, to bliss. Like energy, transformations, chemical to kinetic, electrical to light. So human evolution towards Ananda. Another insight. The laws of matter are upheld by the same Lord. The same Lord who upholds Dharma. One source, 2 domains. Entropy and adharma. Disorder increases without energy. Disorder increases without dharma. Chaos in systems, chaos in societies. Conservation of energy reflects niyati, divine discipline, order and beauty, and rests in the Supreme. A common question. Are we reading science back into the Vedas? The answer is no. We read ontology forward. Newton's equations are historical discoveries. Vedic wisdom is the ground of law of order and meaning. Why are laws lawful? Why is nature intelligible? Tattvavāda answers, because reality is upheld by the Supreme. So let's recap. First law, not a blade moves without his will. Second law, force and motion, parallel to karma. And the third law, action and reaction mirrored by karma phala. Physics shows the how, Veda shows the why. Both are true. Panchabeda safeguards distinctness. Science is possible because of this. Devotion is meaningful, and multiplicity belongs to the world. Unity belongs to Hari. Practical message is that scientists and educators, precision serves purpose. The practical message to scientists and educators, precision serves purpose. Purpose serves dharma. Mechanism and meaning are always together. In conclusion, Newton's laws are useful. Vedic physics is richer. Law and lawgiver are united. Science and spirituality are united. Matter, motion, will, morality, all in one tapestry supervised by the Supreme Lord. Thank you and Dhanyavada.